For long-term storage, we need to enter keeping preparation mode. Press the maintenance button, scroll down, keeping preparation, and start. There's the how-to instructions. If you click on that, it'll step you through the procedure that you need to go through. The first step is to pour some distilled water into the flushing area. To release the lock on the flushing pad and remove it at a slight angle and set that aside. Once set aside, take the distilled water or cleaning solution and carefully pour it down until it's completely gone. Once that is done, you may reinstall the flushing box, ensuring that the little plastic notches go into the holes and lock down. After replacing the flushing box, close the cover and select OK. Next step is to replace the ink bottle. Hit OK. It is now asking us to replace the ink packs with cleaning packs in the CMYK and the white slot. You do not need to replace the maintenance liquid at this point. To replace the ink packs with the cleaning solution, unlock the lever, pull out the ink pack, set it aside, take your cleaning pack, line up the pins, line up, slide into the printer, lock it, repeat the process for the remaining colors, including the white. You do not need to do the maintenance liquid. You press OK.